Hello guys, welcome to SeederX, the ultimate goal of seeding. This is the team behind SeederX with our mentor. Meet SeederX, the future of seed dispersal in agriculture, a automated solar energy based seed sprayer to cut down the manual labor in the agricultural field. Get ready for faster planting, higher yields and a smarter way to grow. Let's begin with the functioning of SeederX.
So beginning with the functions of the bot, we are using solar energy which is converted to electrical energy using the solar panel and TP4056 module. Inside the module, the blue light indicates that the module is powered, and as soon as the corresponding red light is on, it indicates the battery charging has started. The battery charging can be done using a cell holder which is inside the bot. Along with the using renewable source of energy, now let's talk about the unique features that the bot has inside it. The bot can significantly reduce manual labor by plowing the field on its own. It is an automated, highly precise bot. The main work of this project is to spray seed in an effective way and to promote precision agriculture. It will be a significant invention which will help agricultural industry at a large scale. This groundbreaking bot combines the efficiency of renewable solar energy with advanced automation to revolutionize the agricultural industry, making farming more precise, cost effective and less labor intensive.